Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can add typewriter tags effect on CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to add tags to this project. For example, I'm going to type in typewriter like this, and then we're going to go to the animation to add typewriter animation. Okay, you can choose this one, typewriter, and then you can customize the duration here. You can increase the duration or decrease the duration. It's up to you. Okay, and I'm just going to make it 3 seconds, which is the maximum duration of this typewriter effect or animation. And then this is the final result. Alright. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add typewriter tags effect in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!